Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to transfer money from SoFi to another bank account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the SoFi application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to SoFi if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So at the bottom of the screen, as you can see, we have the Discover, Watch List, we have the Account, Invest, Orders, and the Social. So you can see all of them are here. They're pretty easy to access and are looking pretty cool. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and transfer money from SoFi to another bank account. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So transferring money from SoFi account to another bank account is straightforward. First of all, you need to open the SoFi app or go to the SoFi website and log into your credentials, of course, and select the banking tab, then click on the transfer icon. After clicking on the transfer icon, select transfer money and choose your SoFi account as the source. Then input the amount you want to transfer and the destination bank account details, double check the information and confirm the transfer. Transfer between your SoFi accounts are instant, but external transfers may take a few business days to process. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.